Hi guys, how are you all today? It's a good thing that we can see the roof plate is completed. Means the color bond stuff, everything has been done. I'll show you a walk from the uh, other side that you can have a proper view of what has been completed. So you see here the color bond, the roof is being completed. It's a good thing. So in 2 weeks time they started, in 2 weeks for this work. In 2 weeks, like, they have come to this stage. To reach to this stage, so like a roof carpenter has come up, and he has completed the roof structure. And then once the roof frame is complete, the plumbers has attended and they have installed all the gutters. You can see the gutters over here. They have installed all the gutters, down pipes, and they have completed what is referred to as the tube process entailing installation of pipe work in the walls and ceilings. And then the electricians have attended the same week to chase and install the cable provisions, after which the you can see the electrical cables there, after which the color bond roof has come up yesterday, and now they have put up the whole sheet. So we are expecting the roof cover to be like completed in this week. So this is what almost it's done. So next stage it will be a lockup complete, and then it will be a tiler commencing, tiling complete, then there will be a plumbing and electrical finals complete, a practical completion, then a final inspection and key handover. So these are the stages. So I'll just walk you inside to the place. You can see the wires, that's the electricity that they have put up here. You can see the wires hanging around. So the electrician has come and done his work. You can see here this is the laundry part. So exciting. So how they have run these cables around, you can see how the electrical cables have been has been run around. So there are some pipes as well, the water pipes, the red and black, which is also run around here and there. And here is your down pipes, and there is your red and red and black, and this is their cables, wire cables, which are around here. And then there is your pipe here again, and see, these are the cables around. So this is the wire cables, and you can see the wire cables all around there. And that's the big pipe which is going around. I don't know, this is the yellow color pipe is running around. Maybe it's coming from the it's the water connection. You can see some pipe connections here, you see here. So this is actually the restroom, the shower part, and this is of the bathtub. They have given the pipe connections. See, this is the small bathtub. They have given the connection. Actually, this is a master bedroom, so that's the master bedroom, and this is attached bathtub for that. So it should not be a small, it should be like somewhat a comfortable, comfy one. So, and this is the electrical cables. You can see all around hanging up here and there. Yeah guys, like well, it's completely fantastic to see all these stuffs being compiled and come up to a good stage. Now you can see the wires hanging around. So definitely there'll be a good bill to be paid. I really appreciate the way these people are doing the work. You give them, see the pipes around. You give them, you give them the work to be done. They'll be within a particular date. You don't need to chase them. You did. You did. It's all perfect. The timing of completion, everything is perfect. So here you see your the kitchen part. They have done all the pipes, everything. Maybe the plumbing and the gas connections, those guys also will have to attend and do some more work. So this is the top view, and here you can see some more cables all around hanging. So after the whole completion, probably there will be some downside, what's that called, like the cardboards that they will put up to close all this stuff. It's really amazing to see, like, for this whole thing to get completed in such 2 weeks of time. I'm so excited. Yeah, really, when I come inside here after when if it is rainy, or if I want to come and sit down and relax for some time, probably I can bring some two chairs and put up over here and relax for a while, a bit of relaxation. Any rain or anything, probably I will not be hit by the rain here after some, or the sun either. Probably like some part of the cooling will be there. Although there is some more work to be done. Maybe they have to come up here for more stuffs. Yeah, like it's getting improved from where we were and to where the stage that we are in, which is a fantastic improvement. It's a fantastic journey, a journey to be remembered, a one-time journey. Whether you do anything that you take up in a construction site, in a telco environment as well, you build up, there are various parts in the telco environment that you have to, some work in the knock for a couple of years, some work in the field, some work in the construction, some work in the maybe the infra or the construction, some work in all the earthing stuffs, everything. There are many different parts in construction of telco as well. So like each and every time in a life, in a person's career, he will not be staying like in a particular place in a telco like domain. If he is going to try to stay in a particular place with the same salary, and he wants to return in that same, he has a good family around, yeah, it's well and good. But again, I could say that a kind of exposure is required to know all these around, and it's like an all-rounder that you need to go around all the stuffs, right from how it's been built, right from project scenario, right from site acquisition, engineering and build, right from installation, right from building the whole stuff, right from like how your cranes, EWP, how the booms, everything work, right from installing inside the shelter, and right from going out the tower and trying to see being as a rigger and a trigger and trying to do all those stuffs. So it's just like I'm just comparing this construction with the telco. That's the same with construction. You buy a house, something like, and that's it, you go and live inside. Yeah, it's kind of a make it easy DC go. Yeah, but again, I would say that rather like trying out something to know like from the base, oh, what this happens, oh, that happens, trying to go to the end and see, oh, these things happens around, trying to go till the end of how things happen, how is everything working around, and then hooking around with a lot of experience and moving around the world is what we require, friends. In this journey, it was a journey with there is a lot of hard work, there is a lot of pain, a lot of thinking, knowledge, and I could say every successful man has every successful man will go through a lot of pain, but in that pain, what we need to remember is the learnings that we went through in the pain that we go in. So this is the first journey of me going into a construction stuff from the base. It is a wonderful journey, guys. I would recommend like the enthusiasms, those guys who are really like want to try it out, everything. It's like advisable to build up houses from bases, try to find out stuff, how to know that's not, like knowledge is wealth, and that knowledge will take us into more stuffs. This is like completely out of something, but again out of my experience, just sharing some views of basically. So this is where we are in the roof house construction stage. Maybe in a couple of weeks, I would say I show you like how the lockup complete is done with the doors, frames, how this cardboard over there in the top is done, and the lockup of the glass doors, everything is done, and it's totally closed. And then we'll see the tiling stage, all the practical completion until it goes to the key handover. So it's a quick time. Maybe like I expect, maybe it's not going to be a long journey. Hereafter it'll we are gonna come soon to this place. I'll keep you updated with my next video. Stay tuned, be brave, and I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.